Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Learning Lane, where learning becomes simple and exciting. In today's video, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of igneous rocks, how they form, their types, characteristics, and real-life examples. So let's begin our journey into the fiery origins of our planet. Section 1. What are igneous rocks? Igneous rocks are one of the three major types of rocks, the others being sedimentary and metamorphic. The word igneous comes from the Latin word ignis, meaning fire. These rocks are formed when molten material called magma or lava cools and solidifies. This molten material can come from deep inside the earth or flow out during volcanic eruptions. So, in simple words, igneous rocks are born from fire. Section 2. How do igneous rocks form? Igneous rocks form when molten material called magma or lava cools and solidifies. This molten material comes from deep inside the earth where temperatures are extremely high. When magma remains under the earth's surface and cools slowly, it forms intrusive igneous rocks. The slow cooling allows large crystals to grow within the rock. When magma erupts through a volcano as lava and cools quickly on the surface, it forms extrusive igneous rocks. The rapid cooling prevents large crystals from forming. The cooling speed determines the crystal size. Slow cooling creates bigger crystals, while fast cooling creates smaller crystals. Section 3. Types of igneous rocks. There are two main types of igneous rocks. 1. Intrusive igneous rocks or plutonic rocks. Intrusive igneous rocks form deep inside the Earth's crust. Because the magma cools very slowly underground, these rocks develop large, visible crystals. Common examples include granite, diorite, and gabbro. Granite is used in construction and countertops. Diorite is used in building projects, and gabbro is common in the oceanic crust. These rocks are characterized by coarse grains, hard texture, and large crystals that can be clearly seen. 2. Extrusive igneous rocks or volcanic rocks. Extrusive igneous rocks form on the Earth's surface when lava cools rapidly after a volcanic eruption. Because cooling happens quickly, the crystals remain very small or may not form at all. Examples include basalt, obsidian, pumice, and andesite. Basalt forms ocean floors. Obsidian has a glass-like appearance. Pumice contains holes and can float on water, and andesite is found near volcanoes. These rocks are typically fine-grained, glassy, smooth, or filled with air bubbles, depending on how quickly the lava cooled. Section 4. Textures of igneous rocks. Coarse-grained texture appears when magma cools slowly beneath the Earth's surface, creating large crystals, as seen in granite. Fine-grained texture forms when lava cools quickly on the surface, producing small or invisible crystals, like basalt. Glassy texture occurs when lava cools so rapidly that crystals do not form at all, resulting in rocks such as obsidian. Vesicular texture is created when gas bubbles get trapped in cooling lava, forming rocks full of holes, such as pumice. Section 5. Where are igneous rocks found? Igneous rocks are commonly found in volcanic regions, where magma reaches the surface or cools beneath the crust. They are also found at mid-ocean ridges, where molten material rises and forms new oceanic crust. Mountain ranges often contain igneous rocks, formed by ancient volcanic activity or deep magma chambers. Large underground rock bodies called plutons, made of intrusive igneous rocks, also exist beneath the Earth's crust. Basalt forms most of the ocean floor, while granite forms much of the continental crust. Section 6. Importance of igneous rocks. Igneous rocks form the foundation of Earth's crust, making them essential to the structure of our planet. They contain valuable minerals such as gold, copper, silver, and even diamonds, which are important for mining and industry. Rocks like granite and basalt are widely used in construction due to their strength and durability. Pumice is used in beauty products and polishing materials, while obsidian was historically used to make sharp tools and weapons. Let's quickly recap what we learned. Igneous rocks are formed from cooled and solidified magma or lava. They are divided into intrusive and extrusive types based on where the cooling occurs. Intrusive rocks cool slowly underground and have large crystals, while extrusive rocks cool quickly on the surface and have small crystals. Examples include granite, basalt, obsidian, and pumice, each with different textures and uses. Igneous rocks play an important role in construction, mineral resources, and forming the Earth's crust. Thank you for watching this video on igneous rocks. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Learning Lane. For more educational content, drop your questions in the comments below. We love hearing from you. See you in the next learning journey, only on Learning Lane.